Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on NinjaTrader. So the first thing that we're going to do is we go right here to NinjaTrader and then we select right here open account. Then we fill in right here our email address and then after that we click on sign up. Then right now they're telling us to confirm your email address, please click in the link in the email that we sent to Tommy Flex. So right now I go to my email address. And then right here at my email address, we can click on confirm email address. And then right now you will get this screen right here. Then we select right here our username. So let's do Tommy Flex and password. We create this true. Damn, that username is already registered. Now let's add a 9. So right now we created a different username and we changed the password. So hopefully it will work right now. So we click on create user. Logging in, we successfully logging in. So now we click on no thanks. And right now we are having an account right here on NinjaTrader. So right now we created ourselves an account. And if you refresh the login page, you can start right now with creating your own live trading account or can start your simulator trading account right here. So now you can decide for yourselves what you want to do. But now you are having an account right here on NinjaTrader. And this was exactly the reason why you clicked on this video. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.